Alright, what's up YouTube? So, today's project's going to be working on making a frame for this really nice piece of Aboriginal art that my dad and stepmom brought back from out west somewhere. And I got this one and a really way bigger one, but that's going to be for another time. So, today we're just going to be making pretty basic sort of frame, nice, nothing too crazy. Going to try a few different things, we'll see how they play out. Bit of a different design on the front, and it's a bit crazy, but we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, if you want to stick around and see how it goes in the end, that'll be sick. So let's get into it. I have this really nice tongue and groove flooring that actually came out of a church a long time ago, and so the idea is that I could just cut the tongue off and cut the groove off. Is it the groove or tongue? I can't remember. Cut that bit off so it's a nice straight edge on the outside, and then that's already got the groove. So then I can just basically keep cutting a little bit more off. So it's all finished up now. Pretty happy with how it turned out. A few things definitely did not work, like these biscuit things. I say biscuits because I don't know what else to call them, but they did not work at all, and they ended up being completely not structural and didn't do anything aesthetics, and I don't like them because I got all these like lines this way and that way, and then these ones are really chunky. I just don't like them. But that's okay. Overall, pretty happy. A few things to take with me to the next one, and a few things definitely not to take with me. But I'm going to be doing another bigger one, but that's going to be probably just on Instagram. And so, because it's basically the same process, so there's no point doing a whole nother video on basically the same thing. I really like how the inner line turned out. So yeah, overall, pretty happy. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Hopefully I'm going to have my couple other videos here, and hopefully subscribe thingy. So if you want to hit that, that'd be sick. And till the next video, peace.